Good morning, students. Today we start exercise 7.3 of chapter Indefinite Integrals, in which the question number 1 is I is equals to sine square 2x plus 5 dx. If in question there is even power, then we use the formula sin square x is 1 man's cos 2x upon 2. This is the formula. Take 1 upon 2 outside, then this is dx man's 1 upon 2 cos 2 into 2x plus 5 dx. So integration of dx is x and integration of cos is sine 2 into 2x plus 5 divided by, when we multiply this, the angle is 4x plus 10 and its derivative is 4. This is the answer. In second question, I is equal to sin 3x into cos 4x dx. In this type of question, first we divide this by 2, multiply 2 and take the term of greater angle in front. This means we take cos 4x and sin 3x. In this we use the formula 2 cos A sin B, which is sin A plus B man's sin A man's B. Here A is 4x and B is 3x. So this is 1 upon 2. This is sin A plus B. A plus B is 7x. A minus B is x. When we integrate this, the integration of sin 7x is cos 7x by 7. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. This is the answer. In third question, I is equals to cos of 2x cos of 4x cos of 6x. First we write this in decreasing order. That's cos 6x plus cos 4x plus cos 2x dx. And divide this by 2 and multiply also by 2. Cos 4x, take this 2x outside the bracket and we use the formula 2 cos A cos B, which is equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So it is 1 upon 2 cos A plus B is 10x, cos A minus B is 2x. So into cos 2x. Multiply this cos 2x, that's 1 upon 2 cos 10x into cos 2x plus 1 upon 2 cos square 2x dx. Multiply this by this and this by this. Again divided by 2, multiply by 2. 2 cos 10x cos 2x. This is the formula. Cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Here again we use the formula 2 cos A cos B, which is cos A plus B cos A minus B dx. This is 1 upon 4, 1 plus cos 4x. When we integrate this, this is 1 upon 4, this This is sine 12x upon 12 plus sine 6x upon 6. This is 1 by 4 x plus sine 4x upon 4 plus c. This is the answer of question number 3rd. In next question, the statement is, that's question number 4. The statement is I is equals to sine cube 2x plus 1. We write this odd power as sine square 2x plus 1 into sine 2x plus 1 dx. Here we change sine square x into 1 man's cos square x, and we put cos 2x plus 1, put cos 2x plus 1 equals to t. So its integration is sine 2x plus 1 and derivative is sine 2x plus 1 and angle is 2. So it is sine 2x plus 1 dx equals to mans dt upon 2. So it is mans 1 upon 2, 1 mans t square into dt. So its integration is t mans t cube upon 3 plus c. Put value of t, that's cos 2x plus 1. This is the answer. In the next question, the statement is, question number 5. The statement is I is equals to sine cube x into cos cube x dx. In this question, first we write it as sine square x into sine x into cos cube x. We write this sine square x as 1 man's cos square x sine x into cos cube x. Then after this we put cos x equals to t. So its derivative is man sin x dx is dt. So this sin x and dx is man's dt. This is 1 man's t square t cube into man's dt. This is t cube t5 into dt. When we integrate this, this is t4 by 4 t6 upon 6. When we put the value of t is cos 4x by 4 man's cos 6x by 6 plus c. This is the answer of question number 5. In question number 6, the statement is I is equals to sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x dx. First we write this as decreasing order, that's 2x sin x dx. After this we divide and multiply this by 2. Sin x dx. So use formula 2 sin a sin b, which is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. This is the formula of 2 sin a sin b. So it's cos a minus b is x, a plus b is 5x into sin x dx. When we multiply this, this is sin x into cos x dx. This is cos 5x into sin x dx. Again divided by 2, multiply by 2. So this becomes 1/4. This is 2 cos 5x into sin x dx. So this is the formula of sin 2x, and this is the result of 2 cos a sin b, which is sin a plus b, sin a minus b. So its integration is 1/4 minus cos 2x upon 2, 1/4 minus cos 6x by 6 plus cos 4x by 4 plus. This is the answer of this question. In question number 7, the statement is I is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So first we divide 2, multiply 2 and write this in decreasing order. Here we use the formula 2 sin a sin b, which is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So a minus b is 8x minus 4x, which is 4x. A plus b is 8 plus 4, which is 12. So its integration is sin 4x by 4. Its integration is sin 12x by 12 plus c. In question number 8, the statement is I is equal to 1 minus cos x over 1 plus cos x dx. Here we use the formula 1 minus cos is 2 sin square x upon 2, 1 plus cos is 2 cos square x upon 2. This cancel out. Sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 is tan square x upon 2. As we know, there is no direct integration of tan square x. So first we convert this tan square x into secant square x means 1. So this is equals to secant square x upon 2 means 1 dx. Integration of secant square is tan x upon 2 divided by derivative of this, which is 1 upon 2. Integration of means dx is x. In question number 9, I is equal to cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Here first we add 1 and subtract 1 from the numerator and separate these two terms. This is 1 plus cos x, this is 1 plus cos x dx. So 1 plus cos x dx. This cancel out. Integration of dx is x and its formula is 2 cos square x upon 2. As we know, cos square is secant square x upon 2. So integration of secant square is tan x upon 2 and derivative of x upon 2 is 1 upon 2. This is the answer of question number 9. In question number 10, the statement is sin power 4x. We write it as sin square x whole square and use the formula of sin square x in terms of double angle. Double angle means 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. When we square this 2, it's 1/4 and open the identity a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. When we separate these terms, this is 1/2 and use the formula again, which is 1 plus cos 4x upon 2 dx. This is 2 upon 4 cos 2x dx. Here integrate this with respect to x. This is 1 upon 8 x plus sin 4x by 4. This is 1 upon 2 sin 2x upon 2 plus c. When we multiply this is 1 by x, this is x by 8, which is 3x by 8. This is 1 upon 32 sin 4x, 1 upon 4 sin 2x plus c. This is the answer of question number 10. Thank you.